Have you ever wished for a side hustle or work from home jobs that fits your skills, even if you're just starting out? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to making money online with no money and no experience. Ready to dive in? Introduction. Hey there. Welcome back to Money Insight. Today, I've got an exciting video for you. We'll be exploring 10 ways to make money online, and the best part is, you can do it with no money or experience. If you're looking for some extra income or a new side hustle or passive income, you're in the right place. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. I have one secret website I will also be showing you as bonus today by the end of the video, where you can get paid up to $25 every minute, so stick with me to the end, because you won't want to miss out this opportunity. Let's get started. 1. Sell unwanted items. Let's kick things off with a quick and easy way to put some extra cash in your pocket. First up, one of the easiest ways to make money is by decluttering your space. Sell those unwanted items in your household. Instead of letting those unwanted items gather dust, why not turn them into dollars? Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or even a good old-fashioned garage sale are waiting for your treasures. Businesses are willing to shell out hundreds for items they can repurpose. Don't just stash away your unused stuff. Let's turn it into a win-win. 2. Virtual assistant. Before we jump into the next point, I want you to think about something. Have you ever wondered how ordinary people are making a living from their smartphone or by using their laptops? Stick with me, and you'll find out before the end of this video. Now, if you're organized and detail-oriented, becoming a virtual assistant can be a lucrative online gig. Imagine helping businesses manage schedules, emails, and administrative tasks, all from the comfort of your favorite spot. It's not just easy, it's lucrative. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for assistance, and the best part: you set the terms, your rate, your schedule. Becoming a virtual assistant is like chatting with friends on social media, but you'll be getting paid for it. All you need is your smartphone and an internet connection. Start your journey on platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Fiverr. We've covered some fantastic ways to make money online, but we're just getting started. If you're finding value in this video, give it a thumbs up to let me know, and let's continue. 3. Data entry jobs. Let's talk about another straightforward way to make money online: data entry. If you're good at typing and pay attention to detail, you're already halfway there. No specific skills needed. Many companies outsource these tasks, and you can find opportunities on platforms like Freelancer or Indeed. Alright, before we move on, let me know in the comments which method you find most interesting so far. And if you've tried any of these, share your experience. I'd love to hear from you. 4. Social media manager. Are you guilty of spending endless hours scrolling through social media? Well, why not turn that time into profit by becoming a social media manager? Help businesses boost their online presence and manage their social accounts. If you're creative and know your way around platforms like Instagram and Facebook, this could be your perfect gig. Just imagine getting paid while enjoying your social media time. It's like turning your passion into a paycheck. 5. Translation on freelancing platform with no experience. Now, let's break some language barriers and open up new opportunities. Translation jobs are fantastic because you don't need to be a polyglot to get started. Just copy the text you need to translate, paste it into Google Translate, and you're on your way to earning up to $100 per translation gig. Platforms like Upwork are waiting for your translation skills, even if you're just starting out. As you gain experience, your language skills become a valuable asset. 6. Audio translation on freelancing platform. Ready to take your translation skills up a notch? Consider offering audio translation services. Translate podcasts, interviews, and other audio content on platforms like Fiverr, connecting you with potential clients. Here's the scoop: you listen to an audio recording in your preferred language and get paid for it. It's as simple and cool as it sounds. Stick around because there's more valuable info coming your way. 7. Caption Entry. Ever thought making money could be as simple as typing? Caption Entry might be the perfect gig for you. Turn your typing skills into dollars. It's quick, easy, and a great way to boost your income. Stay tuned for more exciting opportunities. 8. Freelancing. Dive into the world of freelancing and unlock a realm of endless possibilities. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or a programming wizard, platforms like Upwork and Freelancer are waiting for your skills. It's not just a job, it's a lifestyle. Get ready to choose your projects, set your rates, and take control of your freelance journey. 9. Sell your photos. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, why not let your photos speak for you and earn money in the process? Selling your photos online can turn your passion into profit. Join platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and start monetizing your photography skills. Your camera could be your ticket to financial freedom. 10. YouTube content creation. Lights, camera, action. YouTube content creation isn't just for the pros, it's for you too. Unleash your creativity, share your ideas, and build your audience. Whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or entertaining content, YouTube offers a platform to turn your passion into a paycheck. And there you have it, 10 ways to make money online with no money or experience. I hope you found some inspiration in this video. Remember, the key is to take action and find what works best for you. Now it's time for the grand finale, where I reveal the secret website that can skyrocket your earnings. I promised you a game changer, right? Get ready to discover an affiliate marketing goldmine where every click on CPA grip could mean up to $25 hitting your bank account every minute. Yes, you heard that right. Minutes, not hours. But wait, the excitement doesn't end there. We're diving deep into ClickBank, unlocking the potential to pocket a whopping $100 for every sale. In this next part of the video, I'll guide you through the steps, strategies, and insider tips to maximize your earnings on these platforms. We're not just talking numbers, we're talking transformation. If you want more tips on making money online and building a successful side hustle, check out these videos right here. And for the latest updates, follow me on Facebook.